Have you ever wondered what it takes to prepare for the biggest game of your life? It's not just about physical strength and agility, but also about the mental and emotional fortitude. Think of a Rugby World Championship. The athletes are physically fit, yes, but they also have to be mentally strong. They have to prepare themselves emotionally, knowing that their performance can be the difference between victory and defeat. The emotional aspect of preparation is just as vital, if not more so. Just like in life, the game of rugby requires not just physical strength but also emotional resilience. Imagine the journey to that final training session before the World Championship. It's a journey that begins months, sometimes even years, prior. The first training session filled with a sense of excitement and uncertainty. A new team, a new season, a new journey. The initial training sessions are always the most challenging, the most tiring, the most demanding. As the season progresses, so does the intensity. There are ups and downs, wins and losses. A victorious match can send the team's spirits soaring, while a loss can send them spiraling into disappointment. But with each game there is a lesson learned, a new strategy formulated, and a new strength discovered. The emotional roller coaster is as intense as the physical one. The players experience a myriad of emotions. The joy of a well-executed play, the frustration of a missed opportunity, the anxiety of a close game, the relief of a win, the disappointment of a loss. At times the pressure can be overwhelming, the fear of failure, the weight of expectations, the looming world championship. But amid all this, the players find a sense of hope and determination. They push through the pain, the exhaustion, the pressure. They keep going, keep fighting, keep striving. Their minds are as much a battleground as the field itself. They learn to harness their fears, channel their nerves, and use their emotions as fuel. They learn to control their minds, to focus on the game, to stay in the moment. And then it all boils down to the final training session, the last chance to prepare, to gather strength, and to muster the courage for the big game. Step into the shoes of a player at that emotional final training session. Imagine the heart-thumping intensity, the air thick with anticipation and determination. The field becomes a sanctuary of last-minute strategies, the hushed exchange of pep talks, silent prayers whispered into the wind, and the final goodbyes before stepping into the arena of dreams. Feel the unity that binds each player, the camaraderie that transcends the sport, transforming it into a brotherhood. Every pass of the ball, every sprint, every tackle is a shared heartbeat, a shared dream. They're not just teammates, they're a band of brothers, bound by the love of the game and the dream of victory. As the sun dips below the horizon, the echoes of laughter, encouragement, and the unique language of rugby linger on the field. They carry with them more than the sweat and grime of a hard day's work. They carry the emotional strength, the mental toughness, and the unyielding spirit that will guide them through the biggest game of their lives. This physical, emotional, and mental preparation for this rugby game can indeed be an inspiration for the bigger game of life, even in the different roles that we play in life. So whether you are a student, a teacher, a parent, or a growing teenager, in your young adulthood, midlife, or in your sunset years, it is crucial to appreciate this journey of preparation in our everyday lives. Just like these rugby players, may we carry an unyielding spirit that will guide us through the biggest challenges in our lives. We hope you find some inspiration here. Subscribe to join us in this wonderful journey of navigating life together. Thanks for watching.